tomorrow. We should be dry Dallas-Fort Worth by tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, thanks for that explaining. You know, some people,
oh my gosh,
in North Texas.
It's just the world's coming to an end. Hell is freezing over right now, Damon. So just want to let you know it's not. It's not. It may very well do that someday, but not tonight. So there you go. There's the advisory, and if you're in that purple area, that means that you could see some patchy freezing drizzle. There could be some light accumulations on bridges, mainly bridges and overpasses. I'm not going to rule it out on just the regular roads, but the bridges and overpasses could have a little bit of some slick spots, some icy patches overnight tonight throughout early tomorrow morning. Does not include Tarrant, does not include Dallas. I'm not saying that it won't happen in those counties. That's a large chunk of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but I think the other counties have a little higher probability of that. Once again, Hunt County, you are not in this. Rockwall, Kaufman County, Ellis and Johnson County, not in the winter weather advisory. We'll see if you're added late tonight or early tomorrow morning, but I think it goes without saying that all of North Texas at least has a small chance of seeing that. Right now, look at this, just a little bit of a freezing drizzle showing up in parts of Collin County. We're already getting some reports from Decatur to Alvord to Jacksboro to Mineral Wells and west of seeing some little bit of icing right now. You're seeing that on some cars, maybe some different surface areas. Dallas-Fort Worth right now above freezing. McKinney, Denton, Alliance, Weatherford, and west and north of there, right now you're below freezing. So there's the freezing line. So here's the wind chill and temperature timeline overnight. Right now we're at 36 degrees. We fall to 29 by 6 tomorrow morning, and the wind chills will drop into the mid to lower 20s by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So it's going to be cold. Now until 2 a.m., you can see the green area here. That's just regular drizzle. The freezing drizzle, and within the freezing drizzle, don't be surprised if you see a few snowflakes. So it includes part of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Then overnight, 2 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the morning, there it is. All of Dallas-Fort Worth is now included in that. But once again, only 30 to 40% of that whole pink area will see it. So temperatures, we start tomorrow, 6 a.m. at 29 degrees. Temperatures are either steady or falling. By 6 p.m. tomorrow, we're at 27 degrees, and wind chills will drop into the teens, so it will certainly be a very cold day tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, 6 until 10 o'clock, once again, 30 to maybe 40% of you within that entire area will see a little bit of freezing drizzle, and a few snow flurries are a possibility too. 10 until 2 p.m. tomorrow, same areas. It starts to shift to the south tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures will drop as we head through tomorrow night. At 6 p.m., we're at 27. At midnight, it's 19 degrees. At 6 o'clock in the morning on Monday, it's 15 degrees. 15 degrees on New Year's morning, and wind chills drop into the single digits, so cold indeed. And tomorrow evening, 6 p.m. to midnight, any freezing drizzle, very, very spotty. That would be well to the south of Dallas and Fort Worth. Now, check out these temperatures. This is the midnight temp tomorrow night. New Year's Eve, 19 degrees at DFW, 20 Fort Worth, 19 in Dallas. Wind chills will be in the single digits. I mean, it's going to be cold. Greenville, 9, Terrell, 8, Sulphur Springs, 11, Canton, 10, Fort Worth, 9. That's your wind chill tomorrow night at midnight. Dallas, 8, Fort Worth at 10. So for tonight, temperatures drop. 6 o'clock in the morning, 29, 30, maybe 40% of us see that freezing drizzle and some flurries. 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, temperatures start at 29. Freezing drizzle, flurries, only 30 to 40% of you will see it, and then temperatures continue to fall. Monday, we start at 15. We only warmed to 28. I did the math earlier, Mike. I got my abacus out, and if we drop to 32 degrees...
That's how old Pete is.
I am very old. You and Damon, if I combine your ages, equal mine. But so I did the math, and so if we drop to 32 degrees here in the next couple of hours, we don't warm up to above freezing until Wednesday about 11 o'clock in the morning. That's 58 hours at or below freezing. So Wednesday's high is 41. Next weekend will be nice. Saturday 55 and Sunday 60. So there you go.
Yeah. That's the part that I love is the warm, the 60 at the end of the week. That makes
60
it all.
at the end of the week.
I don't mind temperatures in a little bit of teens. That's okay.
Teens is cold, man. Even we were talking about this at 6 o'clock. I'm from New York. I'm used to the cold, but teens is cold no matter where you are.
I mean, it's the single digits in New York right now. A million crazy people are going to be in Times Square for New Year's Eve. And it's going to be really, really cold. One of the coldest New Year's Eves up there in years.
I did get a kick out of in Fort Worth. They canceled one element of their
the outdoor events.
Element.
They did?
Like you said, in New York, people are going to be out there in
like,
3 degrees. That's nothing.
Yeah, their shirts off.
It's going to be in the 20s.
Yeah.
It's no big deal at all.
See ya. Hey, you need that.
Yeah. What do I need?
The microphone.
Oh, I need that.
What, you think you're Dale Hansen or something? That's what Hansen does.
I was going to ask you, what do you think it would take for him to come in on a Saturday night?
I just saw him downtown just a few minutes ago. Yeah,